This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use iodine drops, only way. Use clean hands and a sterile applicator, then place one drop directly on the cleaned area, making sure it spreads the surface. Avoid rubbing, and let it air dry for about 2 minutes before covering with a sterile dressing. Repeat only as directed on the product label or by your clinician, and stop if severe irritation or allergy symptoms occur. Handle iodine drops with care and read all instructions on the label before use. Keep them away from children and pets, and never use them on deep or extensive wounds without medical advice. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes, and do a small patch test if you have sensitive skin or allergies. If you experience severe burning, rash, breathing difficulty, or swelling, seek medical help immediately and discontinue use. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and see more practical health tips. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs nicely with hands-free HowToss and podcasts. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Your support keeps content coming and helps others learn safe care techniques. Now let's get back to the video. Iodine drops can help minor cuts and abrasions, but infections and serious injuries need professional attention. If you see increasing redness, swelling, warmth, pus, streaking, or fever, stop at-home care and contact a clinician right away. For deep punctures, bites, or injuries with embedded debris, seek urgent medical evaluation rather than relying solely on topical antiseptics. When in doubt, get care to avoid complications and ensure proper wound management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.